It's everywhere. Design is all around you. Look at your favorite book cover or a cool website you like to visit. Even a simple poster on the street uses design. Good design makes these things look really good. It also makes them easy for you to understand. Learning a little bit about basic design can help you. It is a very useful skill for almost everyone today. Imagine you're making a party invitation. You want all your friends to come to your party. Good design will make your invitation look exciting. People will want to read it carefully. Or maybe you are making slides for school. Good design will make your slides clear. Your teacher and classmates will understand your points better. Learning design helps you communicate your ideas well. Many people think design is very hard to learn. They might think you need to be a great artist. But that is not really true at all. You can learn some very simple rules. These rules will help you make good designs quickly. You do not need fancy or expensive software. You can start with tools you already know. The main thing is to understand the basic ideas. In this short guide, we will learn some basics. We will talk about important ideas like balance. We will also discuss contrast and good alignment. These are called the principles of design. They are actually quite easy to learn. They are also fun to use in your own work. Soon you will see design in a new way. You will be ready to make your things look great. There are 4 main ideas in design. Think of them as your special secret tools. These powerful tools are called principles. The first one we will look at is contrast. Contrast means making some things look different. If everything looks too much the same, it's boring. Contrast helps important things stand out clearly. It makes your design much more interesting to see. The next important principle is repetition. Repetition means you use some things many times. You can repeat colors in your design. You can also repeat shapes or specific text styles. Repetition makes your design look very organized. It makes it seem like all the parts belong together. This creates a strong sense of unity in your work. For example, a logo repeated on each page. Then we have the principle of alignment. Alignment simply means lining things up neatly. Nothing should be placed just anywhere on the page. Everything should connect to something else visually. You can align things to the left side, you can align them to the right side, or you can align them to the center. Alignment makes your design look clean and sharp. The last of our big 4 principles is balance. Balance makes your design feel stable and comfortable. It makes it feel very easy to look at. Imagine an old-fashioned seesaw in a park. You need to put weight on both sides. This makes it even and balanced for riding. Design can have symmetrical or asymmetrical balance. This helps everything feel visually right. Let's look at contrast with an example. Imagine a poster with a dark blue background. If you put dark green text on it, it's hard to read. There is not enough contrast between the colors, but if you use bright yellow text, it really pops. The yellow is very different from the dark blue. This is an example of good, strong contrast. You can also use contrast with different sizes. Now let's think about repetition in action. Imagine you are making a simple newsletter. You can use the same color for all headlines. You can use the same font for all body text. You can put a small school logo in the same corner. This repetition ties all the pages together. It makes the newsletter look like one complete thing. It helps people know what to expect as they read. Let's see how alignment works in practice. Look closely at a typical business card. All the text is probably lined up carefully. The name, the phone number, and the email address. They might all start on the same invisible line. This makes the card look very neat and tidy. If things were scattered, it would look messy. Alignment creates a clear sense of order. Finally, let's consider an example of balance. Think about a common web page layout you see. Maybe there is a big important picture on the left side. To balance it, there might be text on the right, or there could be several smaller pictures there. This is often called asymmetrical balance. It feels interesting but still quite stable. Balance helps arrange parts so the design feels good. When you first start designing, it is easy to add too much. You might want to use lots of different colors, or many different kinds of text styles or fonts. But usually, keeping things simpler is much better. Try to use only one or perhaps two fonts. Choose a few colors that look good together. Don't fill every single empty space on the page. White space gives your design room to breathe. Choose fonts carefully. They change your design's feel. Some fonts look very serious and professional. Some fonts look more fun and very playful. Some look old-fashioned. Others look quite modern. Try not to use too many different fonts at once. One or two is usually enough for one design. Make sure your chosen fonts are easy to read. This is especially true for any really small text. Colors are very powerful tools in graphic design. They can make people feel happy or calm or excited. Instead of picking colors randomly, try a color palette. A color palette is a special set of colors. These colors are chosen to work well together. You can find many free color palette tools online. Choose 2 or 3 main colors for your design. This will make your work look harmonious. Learning graphic design is an exciting journey. These principles and tips are just the beginning. The most important thing you can do is practice. Try making a poster for a local school event, or try to redesign a flyer you have seen. Look at designs all around you every day. See if you can spot the principles we learned. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things.